Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about how to change double objective sentence into passive voice and perfect participle into passive voice. Now you can see the examples of a double objective. So let's start double objective sentences and we change it into passive voice. So uh, when we change double objective sentences, there are two types to change into passive voice. So which is prefer for you, you can use one of them. Okay. First, she gave me a pen. So in a voice, you have to first identify subject and object. So subject is she, gave is verb, me is object and a pen is also object. Okay. So subject is doer, gave is verb, okay, which is done by doer and it is received by me. So here me is object. Okay. So verbs performance is received by object. So now we can see there is two object and me and a pen. So it is called direct object and indirect object. So non-living thing, when we see non-living thing as an object, it is direct object, and when we see living beings, that is indirect object. Now we change this sentence into passive voice. So first we take a direct object. So direct object become a subject, and you can see this example is of simple past tense. When we change simple past tense into passive voice, we use helping verb was and were, was or were, and third form of verb. Okay. So according to a pen, here we put helping verb was. Okay, and third form of give is given. Now we add second object. Okay, here indirect object we add here. Why it is called indirect object? Because we can't put this object directly. Here we add 2 or 4 to add second object. Then after by and object of passive voice. So she become her here. Okay. Now we change in second method. So now we take indirect object as a subject. So me become here I. And according to this simple past tense, and we are going to change it into passive voice. According to that, we use helping verb was or were, and according to I, we put here was, third form of give, given, and you can see the second object, a pen, we put here directly, so it is called direct object. Then after by and she become her here, it is object of passive voice. Okay. Now we take second example. The boy fetched me a glass of water. So first we identify which is subject and which is objects. So the boy is subject, me and a glass of water is object. Okay. First we take direct object and change into passive voice in first method. a glass of water. Okay, it is also simple past tense. Fetched. Fetch is the second form. Okay, it is the second form of fetch, and its second form fetched and third form is also fetched. Okay, a glass of water. According to rule, we put here helping verb was or were. So a glass of water is a singular, so we put here was. A glass of water was. Third form of verb fetched. Now we put here second object, which is indirect object. For me, by the boy. Now second method, we take here indirect object first. So indirect object me become I here, and as the rule of passive voice, when we change simple past tense into passive voice, we add here was a verb and third form of verb. So I, according to subject, we put here was, then after third form of verb fetched, I was fetched, and we put here second object as it is a glass of water by the boy. Now we take examples of perfect participle. So when we change perfect participle into passive voice, so first we are going to learn about what is the structure of active voice and which type of helping verb and verb we use there. Okay, in active voice we use having plus third form of verb, but when we change into passive voice we put here been and third form of verb. Okay, now we take some examples. We can see here first example, having taken food he took rest. Okay, now we change into passive voice, so subject is not given there. Now we see object, having taken food. Food is object. Now we change into passive voice. Food become here subject in passive voice. Food having been taken, comma, and we put the sentence as it is. He took rest. Now second example, having operated the patient, the doctor heaved a sigh of relief. Now we change it into passive voice. So what is object here? The patient. Now this object becomes subject in passive voice. The patient, and same method, the patient having been operated. Okay, operated, then after comma and as it is, the doctor heaved a sigh of relief. Now this is third example. Here you can see the subject is given there. Mahesh is subject in active voice sentence. Mahesh having finished the practical. Mahesh having finished the practical, comma, left the laboratory. So subject is Mahesh and verb is having finished. Then after object the practical. Now the practical is object in active voice and it becomes subject in passive voice. The practical having been finished by Mahesh, comma, as it is sentence he left the laboratory. Now we see some examples, two examples of gerund. Okay, when you can see in active voice we use here fourth form of verb and then we change it into passive voice. So when we change it into passive voice, you know very well, in continuous tense we use being and third form of verb. So let's see the examples. He likes dancing. Okay. Now you can see he is subject, likes is verb, and dancing. Now dancing is in fourth form. Okay, fourth form of verb, but it is object here. But we can't take it object here and we can't change it in subject in passive voice. Okay, so method of this type of sentences changes into passive voice is like this. You can see we take same subject here, he, same verb here, likes, but we changed dancing into being danced. Second example, he enjoys swimming. So same as he, same as verb enjoys, but we change swimming into being swum.